Okay, that's all right.
All right, we're rolling.
What's up, Northern Virginia? This is Tim from Dent Shop, and we wanted to reach out to you guys and start to talk to you about technology in cars and some of the innovations that's been going on in the automotive industry and what to expect when you come into the Dent Shop for an estimate. So with all the manufacturers starting to go to lane departure systems and self-driving cars, what we wanted to do is talk about what we're looking for when you come in for an estimate. So for instance, today here we have a Tesla Model 3, and we have some damage that was done by a repair shop, and the customer brought it to us to see what we could do to fix it. So in this case, a seemingly simple damage actually turns into somewhat of a complex repair because the damage is done by the side camera. And that camera plays, again, a part in the lane departure system and the self-driving automation that's coming ahead. So what I wanted you guys to do is take a look at the damage that we have here on the fender and understand what we're looking for and why you may have a cost that's higher than you anticipated and why that matters to you. So take a look real quick at the fender. And although there's many small dents around the area, it may be hard to see at first, but the whole fender has a buckle in it, and it's actually a little low, and that camera's now changed position. Now it may require, and we're gonna have to look it up, it may require that the camera actually needs to be recalibrated because the position of that camera has now changed, and maybe the angle. So in order for it to perform correctly and to be able to be reliable, if you happen to get into an accident or you're using some of that automation, we need to make sure that it's calibrated properly. So make sure that when you're getting an estimate, you ask as many questions as you can or you need to feel comfortable, and make sure you're taking it to a reputable facility to make sure that they're taking into account all the factors that are involved with your car, the damage, and the repair. If you have any questions, feel free to call us or email us here at Dent Shop. We're here for you. Our phones are still open even in light of what's going on. So thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you guys soon.